Starting around 09 October 2023, STEPN essentially is exchanging at 15 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes. GMT sort of has a really complete market cap of $183,542,011, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,174,964 in an especially huge manner. This basically makes STEPN, GMT, genuinely positioning at 136 in the digital money market in an every way that really matters, significant way. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2023, what will STEPN generally be worth in 2023 in a very large manner? Is STEPN a by and large wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge? Will GMT cost outperform its unsurpassed certainly high in an extremely significant manner? These really are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT'(S' future in a significant manner. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023 as per the STEPN figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost in every way that really matters is supposed to sort of cross an especially normal value level of 25 cents, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of STEPN, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to in a real sense be 24 cents, or so they generally thought. Besides, GMT can generally arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of 26 cents, which sort of is very critical. GMT value conjecture August 2023. With respect to August 2023, STEPN explicitly is supposed to explicitly arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of 20 cents in an unpretentious manner. The GMT cost could truly arrive at a really most extreme cost of 22 cents, with the sort of typical cost around 22 cents, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. GMT value gauge September 2023. With respect to September 2023, STEPN is supposed to generally arrive at a kind of least value worth of 21 cents, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The GMT cost could arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of 23 cents, with the really normal cost around 22 cents, which basically is genuinely critical. GMT value figure October 2023. The STEPN conjecture for October 2023 expects that the GMT might arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of 24 cents, with a fundamentally least cost of around 22 cents, which is very critical. Discussing the especially normal value GMT can truly stretch around 23 cents for October, which most certainly is very critical. STEPN, GMT, value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN for the most part is basically anticipated to explicitly arrive at a really normal cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 25 cents and a fundamentally least of 23 cents. Which truly is very huge. STEPN value estimate December 2023. The truly normal cost of STEPN, GMT, could go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023, showing how explicitly is STEPN a sort of wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which by and large is very critical. GMT could by and large be exchanging around in every practical sense, greatest worth of 26 cents, with the kind of least expected cost of 24 cents, exhibiting that will GMT cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, which generally is very huge. STEPN past value examination in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto generally has been certainly diminished by 0.91% in its genuinely current worth in a by and large significant manner. Assuming we generally look at the truly current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, showing how in every practical sense is STEPN and in every practical sense, wise speculation are really worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of enormous manner. STEPN is confronting a sort of tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, showing how on the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2023, what will STEPN especially be somewhat worth in 2023, or so they thought. The GMT in every practical sense is down to nearly 3.37% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, which certainly is genuinely critical. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for pretty past genuinely couple of days. The coin could for the most part have serious areas of strength for genuinely, however, we don't explicitly imagine that it would a productive resource in by and large present moment, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT diminished by 61.690%, disposing of an incredible truly normal amount of 25 cents from its truly current worth, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a by and large grade in a real sense, purchase an open door for speedy interest incredibly. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 73.22%, and the value sort of flowed from a sort of least truly normal cost of 51 cents to in every practical sense, greatest in every way that really matters, normal cost of 59 cents in the in every way that really matters, recent days, pretty further appearance how GMT value estimate August 2023, concerning August 2023. STEPN is supposed to truly arrive at an especially least value worth of 20 cents, or so they truly thought. STEPN explicitly is somewhere near 40.03% with the genuinely greatest extremely normal cost of the coin, especially was around 29 cents, and the base exceptionally normal cost of really was around 28 cents in sort of beyond 4 months, showing how stepn GMT value figure November 2023. For November 2023 the cost of STEPN in a real sense is especially anticipated to sort of arrive at a by and large normal cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of 25 cents and a sort of least of 23 cents in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. STEPN value conjecture 2023 facts. What will generally be STEPN genuinely worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The GMT cost truly is gauged to sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 26 cents, with genuinely least cost of 24 cents, toward the finish of 2023, which in every practical sense shows that besides GMT, can explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 26 cents. Which generally is very huge. Does STEPN really have a future in an especially significant manner? As far as value, STEPN in a real sense has an exceptional genuinely potential to sort of arrive at new levels in a truly significant manner. It explicitly is conjecture that GMT will increment in esteem, or so they truly thought. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, STEPN can fundamentally stir things up around town all expectations and purposes, greatest cost of $1.65 till 2030, so the GMT cost by and large is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest degree of 20